Hello, today we will talk about something super exciting and super relevant. How to become an AI engineer in 2024. If you think AI is hard to learn, it actually is, but it is a lot easier to learn with the correct roadmap and the right resources. Also, do not be discouraged if you think you don't have the right background. Believe me, quite a few people have enough background in AI. The background is acquired during years of hard work. So even if you have no programming experience, stick around because I've got the ultimate guide for you. Let's get started. Watch the video till the end because the last step is the most important one. Keep in mind that being an artificial intelligence or machine learning engineer is all about continuous learning, meaning that as a professional, you will stop learning only when you retire. The first step is to learn Python. Python is the most popular programming language for AI, and there are several reasons for that. It is easy to learn, and you will find the process quite engaging, especially when you write your first simple program. The best way to learn Python is through books. Why? Because books cover all the fundamentals. I will recommend Learning Python, Powerful Object-Oriented Programming by Lutz. Nice and simple book to start. Find the free PDF version in the description. The second step is to get comfortable with mathematics. Mathematics drives artificial intelligence, so you need to know at least the basics. If learning mathematics directly from books feels challenging or time-consuming, start with a structured online course. I suggest Mathematics for Machine Learning by Andrew Ng, which will provide a basic understanding of probability, statistics, calculus, and linear algebra. Once you feel more comfortable, strengthen your knowledge with books in your free time. The third step is optional but highly recommended. It involves learning algorithms and data structures. Why are those important? Two main reasons. Firstly, they are mostly used to assess the coding interviews. Secondly, they train you to write better and more efficient code. This step is optional because you still can do machine learning without knowing these. But if you want to get a position in a good company, this step becomes mandatory. The best way to learn algorithms and data structures is through LeetCode. It contains both the course and a bunch of practice exercises. The course is paid, but you can still find free books in PDF format online. The fourth step is to start learning the fundamentals of machine learning. Fundamentals contain machine learning algorithms and simple neural network architectures. I will not recommend starting directly from books. Machine learning can be overwhelming for beginners, and it is quite hard to understand straight away. You can start from the course by Andrew Ng, Machine Learning Specialization, covering the essentials of machine learning. Then, when you intuitively understand how the algorithms work, you can proceed to reading books and strengthen your knowledge by looking at what happens under the hood of those powerful algorithms. The fifth step goes deeper into deep learning. Deep learning is the core of most of the powerful AI models we have today. It includes ChatGPT, Copilot, Llama, and other models. Deep learning can become too hard. You can start learning it again using Andrew Ng's course, Deep Learning Specialization. Then, you will need to read separate books or research papers for each field of deep learning. For instance, if you are interested in working with images, then you need computer vision-related resources. If you want to work with text, then you need natural language processing. The sixth step is to decide what interests you the most. AI engineers can't be good at everything in AI. You need to choose one direction and become an expert in that field. That's because AI is advancing very rapidly, and you just can't catch up with everything. So, if you chase two rabbits, you will catch neither. And the last step, the most important one, is to subscribe to us. We try so hard to provide accurate and interesting material to our viewers that is both actual and easy to understand. Engage with our channel. You will learn a lot during the process. Good luck on your journey. If you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, subscribe to our channel to be aware of the new videos. Press the like button and let's discuss AI in the comments section.